Welcome to my video. This is my first GCSE Maths top tip, and it's very much for the two calculator papers. And my top tip would be to, if you have chance, download some formula at the beginning of the exam. And the first formula I'd like to look at is SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, of course, is when we are applying trigonometry. We need a right angle triangle, and of course we need an angle of interest. The right angle is pointing at the hypotenuse, and the angle of interest is pointing at the opposite side, meaning the adjacent side is right next to the angle of interest. Another formula that we can use with a right angle triangle is Pythagoras' theorem. The right angle is again pointing at the hypotenuse, and this time we write hyp. The other two sides are labelled A and B, and of course Pythagoras' theorem states that one of the shorter sides squared plus the other shorter side squared equals the hypotenuse squared. Two formulas that are definitely worth remembering for both science and maths are speed equals distance over time and density equals mass over volume. Circle formulas now. We have two circle formulas to remember. The area of a circle is pi r squared. The circumference is pi d. You may use 2 pi r as I did when I was at school. They both work, of course. One of them needs the diameter and one of them needs the radius. And finally, the area of a trapezium is definitely one I would try and commit to memory. A trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. We label these A and B. There is a perpendicular height which runs between the two parallels. The formula then is given as a half of the two parallel sides, which are added together to create a total, which is then also multiplied by the perpendicular height.